it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper. Some of you commented on my Dollar Tree haul about a Halloween candy salad. So let me go ahead and show you what I mean. It's not a salad at all. I'm just going to use one of the jars here that are from the Dollar Tree. And all it's going to have in there is some M&Ms. And some candy corn and honey roasted peanuts. So we're going to go ahead and get that all taken care of. I should have opened that first. Okay, so we're just going to empty some of these together. I know you guys have probably all heard and seen the peanuts and candy corn. They are delicious. Don't get me wrong. But, oh, honey roasted peanuts, candy corn, and M&Ms. You cannot go wrong. You definitely cannot go wrong. One fell. Don't worry, I got it. So you've got a nice little treat mix here. I'm going to call it candy corn Halloween salad. And you just mix it all up. And oh my gosh, tell me you wouldn't want to get one of these from a friend. Put a nice little Halloween tag or bow from it. Or just leave it out for your friends and family to munch on. So tasty, so good. 3 ingredients. This whole thing, so what, $3, $4.25. So I hope you like it. If so, leave me a comment below. If you want to see more, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I will talk to you later. Bye!